In today's video, I am going to teach you how to round numbers in Excel. Numbers in Excel is very useful when you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner and easier to read. It is especially helpful when you are working with prices, totals, percentages, or any values that do not need too many decimal places. Excel makes this simple with the round function. To begin, click the cell where you want the rounded number to appear. This is important because the rounded result will be displayed in that cell, while the original number can stay in its current location. Keeping the rounded value in a separate cell can help you compare the original number with the new result if needed. Next, type equals round followed by an opening parenthesis. This tells Excel that you want to use the round function. Functions in Excel follow a specific structure, so entering the formula correctly will help you get the result you want without errors. After that, click the cell that contains the number you want to round, and then type a comma. By clicking the cell instead of typing the reference manually, you reduce the chance of making a mistake. The comma separates the number you are rounding from the rounding setting that comes next. Now type the number of decimal places you want Excel to keep. For example, if you want to round to 2 decimal places, type 2. This is common when working with money and cents. If you want to round to the nearest whole number, type 0. Excel will then remove the decimal portion and round the value up or down based on standard rounding rules. Then type the closing parenthesis and press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the rounded result and show it in the cell you selected at the beginning. If your original value changes later, the rounded result will also update automatically because it is linked through the formula. As an example, if your number is in cell A1 and you want to round it to the nearest whole number, the formula would be equals round, open parenthesis, A1, comma 0, close parenthesis. Written out, that is equal sign, round A1. That is the full process. Click the result cell, enter the round function, select the number, choose the number of decimal places, close the formula, and press Enter. It is quick, accurate, and very useful for everyday spreadsheet work. That covers everything you need to know.